how much rain we did see since New Year's Eve. That is when the series of storms began, and since December 31st, I just want to take a look at some of these totals. They are very, very impressive across the Bay Area. Farther south, places like Pebble Beach, over 5 inches of rain since December 31st. Over an inch in Salinas, hey, that's something. Santa Cruz, nearly 4 inches. Lomond, the highest elevations of the Santa Cruz Mountains, over 10 inches, and that's just in the past 6 days. 2.5 inches of San Jose. That is a very, very healthy total. The big loser, unfortunately, was Concord, but still over an inch just in the past 6 days. We'll take what we can get. Mount Tam in our North Bay communities saw 9 inches of rain. And just to the northeast of that, San Rafael saw 6.5 inches of rain. Pacifica also saw 6.5 inches of rain. You get even farther north, even higher totals. Occidental, nearly a foot in just the past week. And that is the reason that our North Bay communities definitely saw the worst of the flooding. I'll break down the details on how much more, if any, rain we can expect this upcoming week.